This is important for the following reasons. Now let's cover collective nouns. Collective, what does that mean? There is a collection. We have a collection and we have something that's collective. I added this photo because Real Madrid is a team, a football team. And the word team is a collective noun. Why? Because you can think of it as a group of players, or you can think of it as one team. The word family, you can think of it as a group of relatives, or you can think of it as one family. The word government, you can think of it as a group of employees, or you can think of it as one entity or one government. Class, and here when I say class, I do not mean classroom. I mean a group of students. Okay, so you can still call them a class. Class could be a group of students, or it could be one class. Band, a group of singers, a group of performers, a group of dancers, or you can think of it as one band. Audience, which means people who watch a show or watch a football game, for example, we call them an audience. An audience could be one audience, and you can think of it as a group of spectators in a stadium, for example. Now, why is this important? This is important for the following reasons. Collective nouns can be followed by singular or plural verbs. Like, for example, when you say, my family lives in Melbourne, why did we say lives, not live? Well, in fact, you can say live. The first one is correct. The second one is also correct. The government is planning, or the government are planning, no one cares. An extra piece of information for you: Americans tend to use singular verbs with collective nouns most of the time, not all the time. British people tend to use the plural form of verbs after collective nouns. This is all what I wanted to say regarding collective nouns.